Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever wondered if you can move money from your traditional 401k into a Roth IRA? Many people do, and the great news is, yes, this kind of rollover is absolutely possible. It's a powerful financial strategy that can reshape your retirement savings. This move allows you to shift pre-tax funds into an account where future withdrawals in retirement will be completely tax-free. So, what exactly is a Roth conversion? It's simply the process of taking money from a pre-tax retirement account, like a traditional 401k, and moving it into a Roth IRA. When you do this, you're essentially converting those funds from a taxable withdrawal structure to a tax-free one in retirement. It's a strategic move to optimize your future income. Now, here's the crucial part. When you convert pre-tax dollars from your 401k to a Roth IRA, those funds are treated as taxable income in the year of the conversion. This means you will owe income tax on the entire amount you convert. It's vital to consider your current tax bracket and how this extra income might affect it before proceeding. So, who should really consider a Roth conversion? This strategy often makes the most sense if you're currently in a relatively low tax bracket. It's also incredibly beneficial if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket once you reach retirement. Paying taxes on the conversion now, at your current lower rate, can save you a substantial amount in the long run. Before you make this big move, here are a few final, important considerations. There are no income limits for performing a Roth conversion itself, which is a common misconception. However, understanding the exact tax implications for your unique situation is crucial. It's always best to consult with a qualified financial advisor who can help you weigh the pros and cons and ensure this move aligns perfectly with your overall financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.